Hello again everyone and welcome to your midweek weather update. A very settled pattern has moved in over South Africa overnight, and although there's been some fog along that eastern escarpment once again today, we're expecting it to be a fairly clear day for much of South Africa, especially in the west where it's going to be sunny and hot once again. Partly cloudy skies onto the Highveld as well as along that escarpment area, and we're expecting a warmer day across much of eastern South Africa. Now, taking a look at your rainfall probabilities, here we see that it's mainly dry across the central and western parts. A bit of rain in the forecast along that eastern escarpment. Now, this is actually a likelihood for a couple of showers and thunder showers which may develop particularly into this afternoon. Thunderstorm activity also starting to develop over the central and northern parts of Namibia. Now for your maximum temperatures, it's going to remain hot for the vast majority of the country. 37 degrees for Uppington, 32 once again for Vredendal and Springbok, and we're expecting temperatures to rise into the upper 20s and lower 30s in Gauteng and the surrounding areas. Along the south coast, on the other hand, remaining fairly cool in places, especially along the Garden Route coastline where George reaches a high of only 20. Now for the west coast, we're expecting fresh southerly to southeasterly winds once again, but moderate around Lambert's Bay with a wind speed of 25 kilometers per hour, and those winds are going to be southwesterly at times. As we head further south, we're expecting similar conditions, 30 kilometer per hour winds around the peninsula coming in from the southeast as well. Not too bad around Cape Agulhas, and swells are also going to be quite low with an open ocean height of 2 meters. Light winds continue to affect Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay today, southerly to southwesterlies at 15 kilometers per hour. Light winds also affecting Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth this afternoon, and we're expecting low swells with an average height of 1.5 meters, breakers between 1 and 3 feet. And along the eastern coastline, very light winds as well as low swells expected for much of the region. Durban with a wind speed of only 10 kilometers per hour. Those moderate northeasterlies on the other hand still affecting Richards Bay. And that's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your Wednesday.
News that moves. eNCA.com.